You think we are fighting for justice? If it doesn't happen to you, your children don't jump on. You are protecting your
No one is violating your rights.
Officer, you should call your men to order first. Call your men to order. You should call your men to order. We've been peaceful all this while. People have been pushing us to the wall. You want us to be violent in this protest.
Also the president, they are not obeying by the law.
We resist it.
They are not obeying by the law. But I know that you are protecting
It's a trap. It's a trap. They want us to be violent. It's a trap by the government. And we will resist that temptation. They have been provoking us. They want us to be violent. You want us to be violent. I will resist that temptation.
But do not belong to Major.
But sir, can I ask you?
Temptation.
Did you know that we are doing this for you and I? Did you know that we are doing this for you and I?
Are you happy with your own commission? Are you happy with your salary? They have pushed the police. Let me tell you the truth. They have pushed the police to be beggars. The system made them to be beggars deliberately because of the welfare packaging. And we are fighting for them.